was the 3 days that you spent in Vegas?
I just got so like kind of bored, man. It's like goddamn the same routine every day. So I went to Phil Jackson. I say, Phil, hey man, I can get my mind right. I gotta go to Vegas. He said, you want to go to Vegas? I said, I want to go to Vegas. 2 days. He said, okay. The next thing you know, I'm in Vegas having a. She probably saw it on Last Dance. So I'm having a blast with a bunch of girls. This me and Carmen. She saw a bunch of Jaegers drinking my ass off. Stuff. The second day in, like on the third day, I'm still in Vegas, partying my ass off. Fourth day, I'm partying my ass off. Who comes to Vegas to pick me up? Michael Jordan. Dennis, you gotta come back and play. When I went back, boom, I was ready to rock, man. I said, hell yes, I'm good now. It energized me a lot. I love entertainment. I love entertainment so much. So it just fired me up right there. So when I got back, I was ready. When you do stuff like that, especially when you're playing ball, you have to you take a steam sauna, you work out, you do a lot of stretching, stuff like that. So basically it does recoup your body a little bit.